Great. We are going to call to order this examining board of plumbers on today is Monday, April 7th, 2025. And the first order of business is to review the minutes from the last meeting. The last meeting was held on June 3rd, 2024 at 1:30. At that time, present was Fred Mayer, Art Monaco, Chris Schleider, and Pat Knapp. And Fred made a motion to postpone the meeting due to a lack of attendees. That was seconded and passed, and the meeting was adjourned. So the last meeting wasn't quite a meeting, and there was no business to discuss. So I make a motion to move that into the record. Anybody want to second that?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
So moved. Next order of business is the new business. We have 2 applications for master plumbers. We'll give everybody a chance to review those and take a look at them, and then we'll call each of the applicants' names and take a vote on status of those.
Is there a men's room on this floor?
Yes, there is, just by the elevators.
Okay, I'll be right back.
You want to take some reading material with you?
Yeah,
Look at an application. I did have a chance to look over one of these applications, and it was body, which looks pretty legit, as he had been with the Slavic family for some while. Gave us some W-2s. He passed the test. That's always good. And he's got his New York State apprenticeships training. That's pretty cool.
You guys make pretty good money at Mr. Reuter. Then Mr. Reuter?
Isn't that,
Yes.
Isn't that amazing when
See
you
how
see
much
the,
money they make? How much as we make? Or made?
you know, yeah, used to make.
That's what I made this year.
Yeah. Well, these aren't crazy, but
No, this one. But you probably worked a lot for you. Did you look at this?
Yeah.
What do you think? Let's go both of them. Yeah.
I see that one. I don't think I saw. Pat had this one hidden. For 24, that wasn't too shabby. So.
I didn't see the objections to.
Okay, no, did you have a chance to look at these at all yet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Big variance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll start with him, Mr. Botting. Ryan Botting has his apprenticeship certificate, has his apprenticeship certification of completion for 2023, matches this one, 2023, and passed the exam and has been working. Well, 2023, and he's got 19, 20, 21. But then he's got the resume that says he was with SUNY Delhi, Binghamton University,
Yeah, beyond that. I went
school
to-
districts.
Good program.
Yeah, it is a good program.
And a letter from Mr. Slavic saying that he's been there since 2020. Anybody want to make a motion to approve Ryan P. Botting?
So moved.
I'll second.
All in favor? That's everybody in favor of Mr. Botting. And then Troy Black. Passed the exam. Showed W-2s. Got a letter from his employer saying he's been there since 2007. That's more than 5 years. Anybody make a motion to approve Troy Black?
So moved.
Fred made a motion.
I'll second.
John seconds, all in favor. Unanimous. Does anybody have any new business?
Along with those applications, Chris,
So-
right there's the two checks.
Okay,
That's,
okay.
If you- we all
If you
know, right?
leave, can you still remain on the board if you,
He would,
employed?
he would be ex officio. We would have to replace the journeyman. Your journeyman plumber?
Yes.
We would have to replace the journeyman plumber position, but he would, as Pat sits here now, if he were to become a plumbing inspector, he would automatically be a board member. So that's the new business we're discussing is the position of plumbing inspector is now posted. We're seeking a plumbing inspector since our good friend and illustrious plumber Pat Knapp is retired and
Where's the retirement party? We're gonna have one?
that was a couple weeks ago. Towards all.
I hope there's gonna be free alcohol. That's the only thing that I.
there will be Swedish meatballs and cocktail franks. It's gonna be awesome. Well, if that's all the business we have, I make a motion to adjourn today's meeting. Anybody second?
That's,
And all in favor? Being adjourned.